Hello, Dave here, and welcome back. This is Fuzzee D's Tutorials. So today we're going to learn how to add a manager to your YouTube account. So I've already brought up my YouTube, and I'm going to go to my little picture on the upper right corner. I'm going to click that, pop the menu down, and then I'm going to go to YouTube Studio. And once that comes up, if I go over here to the left, down at the bottom, click on Settings. And then this menu here, we're going to click on Permissions. And now, up here, we're going to click in the upper right corner, the Invite button. Now, the first thing we need to put in is the email address of the person we're going to invite. So I'm going to put this in here. And now we're going to go down here and we're going to select the type of manager or user that we're adding to the account. Now you do have some other options, but in this case we're choosing manager. Now the manager can do pretty much everything the owner of the channel can do except deleting the channel. So we're going to pick that and then we're going to click on Done. Now you'll see here beside that new manager it says pending invitation. So when I click save, an email will be sent inviting that person, and I'll show you what has to be done on the other end in just a moment. Okay, so here we are on the email account that I invited. And we're going to open up the email and we're going to accept the invitation. Yeah, there we go. And then we'll go to the channel. And I can now log in as the new manager. And there we go. We now have access to that account. You notice in the upper right hand corner it says you're a manager, and now I can do pretty much everything that needs to be done. And that is it, folks, for this tutorial. If you enjoyed this tutorial and you'd like to be notified when new ones come out, make sure you subscribe and click on that notification bell. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.